This tabletop that I'm working on right here is actually 2 boards, but we've had them jointed and planed together so you can barely even tell the difference. I'm getting a joint here that you can barely even tell that it's 2 boards glued together. This is going to be the bottom side because this white edge right here, I'm not a huge fan of it, but on the other side, it really is a lot more of a seamless transition. Once you get this sanded up, it looks even better. I mean, the line is right here, and everything flows together really well. First, we started out by just taking a 16th off of each of the sides of the board, so everything's flat, and we can take a look at what the grain is. Then we took them to the joiner, which is going to get a perfect 90-degree angle and flat edges that we can glue them together. So once we did that, we glued these together. I had it clamped on the floor, and I was able to get this actually really flat, about within a 16th. And that's how you take 2 different boards and join them together to make them look really nice.